Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to automatically move emails to a folder in Outlook. So if you want to get organized, stay tuned. The first thing we want to do is jump into our Microsoft app, and once we're in here, you can see we're going to now select the email type that we would like to move into folders. So just for example, I'm going to use this bookings.com. You're going to make sure it is selected. Now once it is selected, this is the email type that the rule is going to be applied to. So over on the right hand side, you can see here there's a rules tab, and you're going to drop that menu and you're going to click on create rule. Now here you can define what your rule is. So you're going to create the trigger. So it says when I get an email from, and now you have to select what you would like to do. So if we want to, every time we get an email from this address, we want to do the following. So we want to either display in the new item alert window, play a selected sound, or move the item to folder. We're going to now select the move item to folder, and here we can select the folder that we are going to move it to. If you do not have a folder here that you'd like to move it to, you can go over to the right hand side and tap on new, and here we are going to name our folder, and we are going to name it new folder because that is a creative name. We can now also define the folder contains, so it's mails and post items, so that's fine. We're going to leave that, and we're going to tap on OK. So here you can see it. We're going to now select it and say OK. So every single time we get an email from booking.com, it will automatically be moved to this folder called new folder. Now you can apply different types of rules. So if you want to move different types of emails, maybe subject lines with specific words in it, or maybe different email addresses as the recipient. So if you have more than one email address that you're managing, you can maybe use that as the rule. And once you've done all of this, you're going to just tap on OK, and all of this will now take effect. If this video was helpful, don't forget, drop us a like, show your support, and we will see you next time. Cheers.